In this video, I will show you how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram after posting. Now if you get back here, as you can see guys, before 21 seconds, I have posted multiple photos on this Instagram site, and now I want to delete one photo from here. What you need to do, you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side and then go for that fourth selection, which is edit. Go for edit, and now you need to select the picture or the photo that you wanna simply delete it from here. I will go with the first one, with this one. Now as you can see on your left upper side, you have that trash icon. Just click on it and it will shows up delete media. Go delete. And now if you get on that bottom right side, as you can see, you need to wait to simply get refresh on it because it has been getting up by 40 seconds. It needs to take 1 minute or more to take up and get that session.